Good morning, student. Today we'll start third unit from this paper second, that is molecular biology. So we'll start molecular biology. Today we'll see only basic concept and basic of molecular biology. Before going to see actual molecular biology, we'll see basic differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, or eukaryotes or prokaryotes. Okay. Then we know what is meant by eukaryotes, what is meant by prokaryotes. Okay. This cells which having two nucleus, that is called as eukaryotic cell, and organism which having eukaryotic cell, that is called as eukaryote or eukaryotic organism. Prokaryotic cell which do not have true nucleus, that is called as prokaryotic cell, and that prokaryotic cell possessing organism is called as prokaryotes or prokaryotic organism. Here and eukaryotes are plants, animal and fungi. Prokaryotes are bacteria and cyanobacteria. Eukaryotes, there is no cell wall in animals, and cell wall is present in plant cell, and in prokaryote cell wall is present. And eukaryotic cell, mitotic spindles are present during chromosome segregation, and in prokaryotic cell membrane is present. Then in eukaryotic cell there meiosis occur, and in prokaryotic cell there is no meiosis. In eukaryotic cell there consists of 80s type of ribosome, and in prokaryotic cell there consists of 70s type of ribosome. Then we know about cell organelles. In eukaryotic cell there consists of membrane bound cell organelles, that is nuclear membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, chloroplast, etc. But this nuclear membrane, then endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria and chloroplast absent in prokaryotic cell. So membrane bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell, and membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. So this is differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay. Then we'll see what is meant by molecular biology. Molecular biology is the study of molecular underpinning of the process of replication, transcription and translation of genetic material. Okay. Here in molecular biology we are going to study about details of replication process, transcription, translation of genetic material at molecular level. Okay, this molecular biology comprises all these things, or all this area which here seen in this particular figure. Okay, and molecules that having that molecular biology: animal cells, plants, microorganism, populations, that microbiology. It covers all this area: micro, molecular, entomology, then animal development, then membrane trafficking and signaling, then mathematical biology, then genomics, enzymes, microbial biology, then fingerprinting, cell cycle. Like this, all area covers under this molecular biology. Then molecular biology, this established in 1930s, and this molecular biology term coined by Warren Weaver in 1938, that is director of natural sciences for Rockefeller Foundation. Since the late 1950s and early 1960, characterization, isolation, manipulation of the molecular component of cell and organism, that is DNA, RNA and proteins, has carried out this type of studies carried out by this particular molecular biology. And that this molecular biology also include bioinformatics and computational biology. Here in molecular biology there are some subfield of molecular biology, that is gene structure, function and molecular genetics. These are the prominent subfield of molecular biology, and these are arise early 2000s. Then this field of molecular biology overlaps with other areas of biology and chemistry, particularly genetics and biochemistry. Then molecular biology chiefly concern itself with understanding the interaction between the various system of cell, including interaction between DNA, RNA and proteins biosynthesis, as well as learning how these interactions are regulated. Okay. Then much of the work in molecular biology is quantitative, and recently much work has been done at interface of molecular biology and computer science in bioinformatics and computational biology. Since the late 1950s and early 1960s, molecular biologists have learned to characterize, isolate, manipulate the molecular component of cells and organisms, include DNA, the respiratory genetic information, RNA, a close relative of DNA and proteins, and the major structural and enzymatic type of molecules in cells. This is about work which coming under molecular biology. Okay, then we'll see basic of molecular biology. And molecular biology we can going to study about DNA, structure of DNA, RNA, cells at structure of cells at molecular level. Okay, each and every part we are going to study at molecular level and molecular biology. Here we can see this picture. In this picture, here two scientists uh, which were discovered that DNA model, that is double helix DNA model, that Watson and Crick. Okay, then this DNA structure must be compatible with its four rules. Okay, we know DNA deoxyribose nucleic acid, and this must be compatible with its four rules. First is DNA makes copies of itself. Okay, we know this DNA making its copies of itself through the process of replication. This during S phase of the cell cycle before mitosis and meiosis, the replication of DNA takes place, and DNA making its copy, their production of many copies of DNA. DNA encloses information that gives rise to discriminable traits and organism. So that DNA and DNA, the presence of information of particular organism. All information of organism is present in DNA. Okay, in the form of gene. Okay, so DNA encloses information. Then DNA controls cell and tells them what to do. Okay, so most important function of DNA, that is DNA controlling cell and tells them what to do. Okay, according to situation, DNA can suggest to this particular cell to what to do. Okay, so DNA as controller of cell, we broadly saying that nucleus is the controller of cell, because in nucleus there presence of chromosome and chromosome presence of DNA. So DNA and that main controller of cell as DNA. Okay, the DNA controls cell and tells them what to do. Then the DNA determine function of the cell. Then DNA changes by mutation. When mutation takes place, we know mutation means what? Sudden changes which takes place in gene or DNA, and the DNA get changes by mutation, structure must be able to change. Okay, then this is about that DNA structure must be compatible with its four roles. Four roles are: DNA makes copies of itself, DNA encloses information, DNA controls cells, DNA controls cells and tells them what to do, and DNA changes by mutation. Then building blocks of DNA. There are different three building blocks of DNA nucleotide. That there are three components. Three component of nucleotide: 5-carbon sugar, that is deoxyribose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogen containing base. Okay, that are called as nitrogen base. These are the building block of DNA. Okay, here we can see structure of nucleotide. Nucleotide consists of deoxyribose sugar and phosphate group which present on carbon number 5. Okay, and nitrogen base, one of the nitrogen base present on carbon number 4. of carbon number 1. Okay, so this is structure of nucleotide. Then next is building block of DNA, that four nitrogen bases. That four nitrogen bases are four: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Here we can see structure of adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Okay. Then next is structure of DNA. Murray, Wilkins, and Rosalind Franklin. They attempt to determine structure of DNA. They discover DNA as a helix. Okay, so according to that Murray, Wilkins, and Rosalind Franklin, structure of DNA as helix. Okay, so they discover helix structure of DNA. Okay, and charge graph ratio. Okay, in 1950s, Erwin charge graph observed that four nitrogen bases conform to a rule: amount of adenine is equal to amount of thymine, and amount of cytosine is equal to amount of guanine. We are saying that ratio of nitrogen bases adenine, that purine and pyrimidine, as 1:1. So according to charge graph, or that is called as charge graph rules or charge graph ratio, amount of adenine is equal to amount of thymine, and amount of cytosine is equal to amount of guanine. Okay, so that ratio of pyrimidines and purine as 1:1. So this serve as clue to help Watson and Crick determine DNA structure. Okay, then Watson and Crick, early 1950s, they were young scientists at Swedish laboratory, Cambridge, England. Using charge graph ratio, the Franklin's data, Watson and Crick determined DNA structure as a double helix. Okay, then DNA as double helix consists of two strands of nucleotides bonded together with covalent bonds. Then adenine hydrogen bond with thymine, and cytosine with guanine. Okay, structure was compatible with four roles of DNA. This we have studied from 11th science, a structure of double helix structure of DNA. Okay, in this diagram we can see this particular structure of DNA and arrangement of nucleotide. Okay, here we can see that nucleotide arranged in reverse direction. Okay, and in between two nucleotides there is of hydrogen bond, double hydrogen bond and single hydrogen bond. Okay, this next is how DNA copies itself. Okay, this DNA can copy itself through replication, and this replication process and remaining part we'll see in next lecture. Thank you.